Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and I hope you are enjoying the season, enjoying the time, and thinking about doing some beautiful piece of art. So today's video is all about that. It's about the beauty of spring season. So as you can see, it's a sweet little bird and a sparkly shiny butterfly talking something nice or singing about the beauty of spring season. So it's a lovely time because there is neither too hot, neither too cold, and it's a time of longer days, sunnier days, and bright sunny days fills our life with joy. And what makes us happy is the blooming flowers, the lush green grounds, and very happy weather, and lightly cool breeze that you can feel in the morning or in the late evening. So on a whole, it's a nice season, and I think this bird and the butterfly are talking something like that and enjoying the season. So I hope you'll enjoy my drawing process. It's a very easy one, anyone can try. And if you are new to my channel, please like my videos, watch my video till the end, and share your feedback, and subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. And please, please keep doing some artwork. It makes you feel relaxed, it makes your day feel more happier, more brighter, and active, fresh. This is what I feel about doing some sort of art. Okay, it doesn't mean to be only painting, it can be like singing or composing a beautiful poem, uh, or anything of that sort, but related to something related to artistic life. So stay with me, be with me, and enjoy the season. Have a good day. Bye.